Hubby taking a goodbye picture of the car. Hi everybody, happy Monday. It's Martin Luther King Day, and today is the day that we're shipping our car out. So I'm pretty excited and nervous. It's probably the start of when things are gonna really start to hit us and everything's gonna start moving fast. So I don't know if you can see behind me, hubby's moving the car out, and we're gonna go to the car shipping company right now. Hubby taking a goodbye picture of the car. This is the first time we're ever doing this, so it's new to us. Our car's name is Essie, just in case you guys were wondering. So bye Essie, we'll see you in Tacoma. We'll be there to pick you up in a few weeks. Are you okay?
No.
This is where we're shipping our car, at Horizon Lines. Hopefully all goes well. Okay guys, so we just got done dropping off our car at Horizon Lines. It was pretty simple process. It didn't take that long. The cost for shipping that we paid for our car was like $1,100. Because we didn't own the vehicle outright, we still have a loan on it. They just needed a letter from the bank, a copy of the registration, and the ID of the person that owns the car, or that the lien is under. And then that was it. So the letter from the bank just needed to state that we're allowed to ship the car from here to wherever we're shipping it to, which is in our case Tacoma. So the vehicle should take about 2.5 weeks to get there. It should get there by the time we get there. We're gonna pick it up in Tacoma at the Horizon Line ports in Tacoma. Pretty straightforward, pretty quick process. Hubby's having a hard time, kind of. He said it's like a weird feeling. I don't really feel anything yet, honestly. Like, to be honest, I don't feel anything yet. I think once we start emptying out like our room and shipping our stuff, then that's when I'm gonna start to feel it. I thought I was gonna start to feel it when we shipped our car, but maybe later on today it'll hit me. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I just want to let you guys know, in case any of you guys are wondering how hard it is to ship your car. It's not hard at all, aside from the money that you have to spend and like a few documents that you need to get. It's fairly simple. So hopefully the process goes well. They do an inspection prior to shipping it, and you can be present, but it's optional. You don't have to be present. They just say that you have to make sure the vehicle's clean inside and out. You can't have anything in the vehicle. If your vehicle is dirty when it gets to one of the other ports, they do there is a possibility of them charging you like a $375 fee. Something about like Department of Agriculture, and they don't want the soil from here transferring there, or I don't know, something like that. So we opted to not wait for the inspection. We're just gonna let them do it because we know nothing's wrong with our car, and we made sure that it was clean. Oh, another thing was the gas has to be below quarter tank, so that's another thing. And then they're just gonna email us a copy of the inspection. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty quick process, and now we're off to go spend the day with family since we didn't have to work today. And yeah, do you have anything to say about the process, babe?
Nope.
How do you feel?
I don't know.
You don't know how to feel?
No.
It's just weird.
It's weird.
Are you sad?
No.
Not sad?
No.
Just kind of like reality check a little bit. Yeah. All right, so we'll talk to you guys later when we get to our next destination. I don't know where we're gonna head to first, but yeah, we'll check in with you guys soon. What are we doing? Halala. Halala. What are we doing? What's that stuff?
No, Jing. Secret.
Secret. If you guys want to know what we're doing, then you need to leave me a comment below asking me. Where are you guys going? What? Okay, have fun. They're not even scared. Can you guys see Mom and Haley? Let's zoom in on them. Whoa. There they are. It's such a nice day today, yeah? It's really pretty.
Make sure I do one of those sweeping ones.
Oh, okay. Panoramic ones? They have nice houses. You know, if you walk along this thing, they have really nice houses all along over there. So we're at, I think this is called Kahala Beach Park, if I'm not mistaken. Just spending time with the family since we all have the day off. Well, we're missing Rao and Jimmy and Dad and Zayden. They're working today. I don't know where Zay is. I think he's with his mommy. They're putting together Jay's new grill. Nicole bought him a grill so he could grill for us. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out. Enjoy this beautiful day. So pretty. Say hi, guys.
Bye.
We got a sushi platter. Okay, we got the grill together. Yay! Here's the stuff that we're gonna grill. Here's our master chef and his sous chef. Who are you? Okay. What'd you guys do?
We went to go look at the crab holes.
In the what?
Crab holes.
Oh.
So I sat down
Okay.
and I stood up and had some stuff poking my butt. Awesome. We just sent our car today. What? We dropped off our
I
car.
don't know what kind of dad he thinks he is.
We're gonna miss you guys.
What?
My car is gone.
The newness.
Stop!
The newness.
Stop!
Where are we going, little girl?
To walk on the rocks.
We're gonna go walk on the rocks. Huh?
Our Crocs
Oh,
are so
she's wearing
comfy.
mom's slippers.
I'm gonna buy me a pair now.
Let's show our feet. What are we wearing?
I like that. I like the.
Come on, Haley, show your feet.
I'm wearing my mom's slippers.
Wiggle your piggy toes. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's see what that says.
Cool. It is pretty. Super pretty. And I'm walking, and I'm walking, and she's walking, and she's walking, and they're walking.
Just dive, some guys along there, get some different fish. Everybody starting to dive, so.
Can you start picking up then?
Huh?
Start diving again.
Oh, no. I mean, maybe I might start up again.
Will it come out? Here, let's see it come out.
It's not
See what a claw stay?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, little crabby.
How did you see that?
You seen him walking?
Cool. Yeah, let him walk.
Look, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I think he senses us.
Yep. So he's trying to dig himself in.
Ooh, what's that?
Where?
That right there.
Yeah. Wait. You can't touch him, right?
I don't know.
Wait. If it's squishy, it's a sea cucumber. Nope, it's rock.
What's that?
What are you looking
there,
at? Double A.
That long thing. Don't get wet.
Where is it?
Maybe it's doo-doo. It looks like doo-doo.
That thing?
Yeah.
Maybe.
We shouldn't try.
It's so pretty.
The coconut crab is the one that you see on trees.
The really big ones,
Yeah.
right? There's like a plane flying above. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Ew, why is there flies? They do. Okay, bye.